Deen for kids. Learn, love, live Islam.
Assalamu alaikum, little friends.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Did you know that we can start our morning by remembering Allah?
Yes!
Today, we're going to learn some beautiful morning Adhkar from the Qur'an and Sunnah. I will say each part slowly.
And I'll repeat after you.
Excellent! Let's begin! Now, let's learn a beautiful morning dua. Listen and repeat. Allahumma Bika Asbahna.
Allahumma Bika Asbahna.
Wa Bika Amsayna.
Wa Bika Amsayna.
Wa Bika Nahya.
Wa Bika Nahya.
Wa Bika Namut.
Wa Bika Namut.
Wa Ilayka Nushur.
Wa ilayka nushur.
Meaning, O Allah, by you we enter the morning, by you we live, by you we die, and to you is the resurrection. To Allah we will return. 2. Let's ask Allah for beneficial knowledge. Allahumma Inni as'aluka ilman Nafi'an.
Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an.
Wa rizqan tayyiban.
Wa rizqan tayyiban.
Wa amalan mutaqabbalan.
Wa amalan mutaqabbalan.
Meaning, O Allah, I ask you for beneficial knowledge and good, pure provision and deeds that are accepted. Ameen. This dua is especially reported for after the Fajr prayer. Our final zikr for today is a very special dua called Sayyid al-Istighfar. It means the master supplication for asking Allah for forgiveness. It's longer, so we'll learn it slowly.
I'm ready.
Allahumma anta rabbi.
Allahumma anta rabbi.
La ilaha illa ant.
La ilaha illa ant.
Khalaqtani wa ana abduk.
Khalaqtani wa ana abduk.
Wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastatat.
Wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastatat.
A'udhu bika min sharri ma sanat.
A'udhu bika min sharri ma sanat.
Abu'u laka bi ni'matika alayya.
Abu'u laka bi ni'matika alayya.
Wa abu bi dhanbi.
Wa abu bi dhanbi.
Faghfir li.
Faghfir li.
فإنه لا يغفر ذنوب إلا أنت.
فإنه لا يغفر ذنوب إلا أنت.
The meaning is, O Allah, you are my Lord. There is no one worthy of worship except you. You created me and I am your servant. I keep your covenant and promise as best as I can. I seek refuge in you from the evil of what I have done. I acknowledge your blessings upon me, and I acknowledge my sins. So forgive me.
Astaghfirullah.
May Allah forgive us all. Ameen. Now, let's see if you remember what we learned.
I'm ready.
What can we recite to ask Allah for beneficial knowledge?
Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an.
Wonderful. And what should we do when we make a mistake?
Ask Allah for forgiveness.
That's right. You don't have to memorize all these adhkar in one day. That's why we are taking it bit by bit. Start with one. Learn it. Understand its meaning. Then practice it every morning. May Allah make us among those who remember Him often. May Allah protect you, bless your day, and give you beneficial knowledge.
Ameen.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
See you next time.